Are they saying I'm like crusty? Are they like, girl, you crusty. Let me put a bunch of these little scrubs in here and help you out. Hello everyone, my name is Sandra and thank you so much for tuning in. All right, y'all, so my mystery Ipsy bags came in. Well, 2 of the 6, I feel a little embarrassed saying I ordered 6 mystery bags, but I did. 2 of the 6 mystery bags that I ordered from Ipsy finally came in, and this is what they look like. They're super freaking cute. This is adorable. I love this like tweed, and it feels so good. And then this one almost looks like a little clutch. So like I could just, you know, if I got a little pink outfit, I could just wear this as like a little clutch. Now, one thing I will tell you is that if you order the mystery bag, it won't be such a mystery, because what they do is they give you the bag and they put all the products on the outside. So I literally had to like rush to try to put these things in the bag without looking at them, which is a little annoying because it's like if I want a mystery bag, like I want the stuff to come in the bag. Like when you order a regular Ipsy, the stuff comes in the bag. So why is it any different for the mystery bag? I don't know, but I didn't really look at anything that's in these bags. We're gonna be all surprised. Now, one thing did not fit in this full-size mystery bag. This first product did not fit in there, and that's why it's outside, but I don't know what this is. So still a bit of a mystery. But let's go ahead and get into it. I'm actually gonna save the full-size products for the end because they're just a little bit more exciting. And we're gonna go ahead and get into this mystery glam bag. I might use this as a clutch too, who knows? So the first thing I have is Balance Me. This is a pre and probiotic radiance cream. I think I got something else from this same company, but it was like a AHA like mask. It says our skin strengthening super light gel nourishes, calms inflammation, protects and restores balance to the skin's microbiome. Okay, gotta keep the microbiome doing what it's supposed to do. Let me move a little bit. The sunlight is doing me dirty. It says smooth and even layer of cream onto cleansed skin in gentle upward strokes. This is just like a little cream that you could put on. Let's see if it has a little scent to it. Ooh, okay, it's got like a little squeezy tube like that. This is what it looks like when it comes out of the little squeezy tube. Okay, it has like a fresh scent. Yeah, it has like a little fresh scent to it. It's not bad. I'll probably use this like in the morning time. This is nice. I will definitely get some use out of this little product. Glow on 5th Beauty. That's fun. Smooth as silk hand body scrub. Ooh, we love a good body scrub. This would definitely be like a hand scrub. I'm not gonna use this all on my body because I would use the entire tube. Maybe I can use this to help with my psoriasis, which has gotten a lot better, like a lot better. It used to look real dusty and crusty and just gross. Now they look almost like regular fingers. Hopefully it smells good. We love things that smell sweet and delicious. Okay, it's got a nice little grit to it. It's not like as strong as like the MD Faden, I think that's what it's called, but it's nice. It has like a fresh scent. Nothing to really write home about, but this is nice. I will definitely use this on my crusty, dusty hands. Let me go rinse this off and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. My skin feels a little smoother, so we're winning. The next thing, oh, it's another scrub. Are they saying I'm like crusty? Are they like, girl, you crusty. Let me put a bunch of these little scrubs in here and help you out. This one is by Corset. It is a salt body scrub, gray sea salt, and bamboo charcoal. Ooh, this one looks really interesting. Let me see where you're supposed to use it. It says apply onto clean or damp skin and gently massage, focusing on the part of the body that needs exfoliating. Rinse thoroughly with water. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Oh, well, it does say body scrub. I don't know why I was like,
where do I use it?
On the body. I will definitely give this one a shot. I just exfoliated this arm. I don't know if I want to exfoliate again. It just has like a fresh scent to it, nothing crazy. Since they don't have like a real feminine scent to them, I might pass one of these on to Justin so he can exfoliate. So this one I might just give to Justin. So far, so good. These things are really nice. A lot of skincare, not too much makeup. This is the Auto Balm Girl Power Cheeks on the Go. Okay, this is very interesting. I'm guessing it's a blush, and I'm guessing it's in the color Bourbon Street. I don't know what color this is supposed to be. Maybe it's girl powder. Wait, does it say girl powder? Oh, okay. So I was reading it wrong. And then when I accidentally read it, when I thought I was reading it the wrong way this time, it was actually the right way. It says girl powder. Okay, not girl power. This is so freaking cute and itty bitty. This color, it may or may not look good on my skin. I'm gonna have to try it out. Let's see. Actually do a little swatch. Let's see. How does that look? It's very subtle. I mean, she'll be blushing. She'll definitely be blushing very subtly. Okay, so I actually like this. This is pretty. It looks like one of those little containers that you keep like your matches in. You know, when you go to the hotel and they give you like the little thing of matches. This is what it looks like. And the last thing in my mystery Ipsy bag is by Shades by Shan. I think last time we got like a lip gloss from them. Didn't really show much color, but it felt really good on my lips, so I wasn't mad at it. Shades by Shan, and it just says, Shan, you are very beautiful. This is what she looks like. Super cute. Don't know what this is. Oh, it's a highlighter. That is pretty in this shade Marjorie. This is pretty. So we got something for the cheeks. I like this. Let me see how she looks. She feels good. Ooh, look at that. That's a little pigmented for just a highlighter. Maybe it's supposed to be an eyeshadow. I don't know. Wow, that might be just an eyeshadow. Okay, we hitting. That first mystery bag was a banger. Now, let's get into the BoxyCharm mystery bag thing. I guess that's what it would be since BoxyCharm is like the bigger side of Ipsy. All right, so this wouldn't fit inside there. This would not fit inside the box. Box, it's a bag. Fits in the bag. Let's see what this is. Complex culture. Life's complicated. Your beauty routine shouldn't be. We're making things easier, one eco-friendly product at a time, starting with this brush. Is this like a hairbrush? Is this like a hairbrush or... Ooh, this is pretty. Okay, this is actually really freaking pretty. Look at that. That is such an interesting brush. I think this is for like foundation. Okay, angled foundation. Okay, it says it right on there. This is pretty. Look at that. I like this. I don't even put my makeup on with brushes like foundation. I always use my beauty blender. She's cute. I might have to use this to put on my foundation this time. Look at that. That is so beautiful. Reaching into my little bag. This little itty bitty thing. Let's see what this is. It just has like a really pretty design on the top. I don't know what this is for. Dusty Miller by Blasco. I'm guessing this is like a blush. It's very itty bitty. Ooh, that's definitely not a blush. It's definitely not a blush, like a single eyeshadow, because this is definitely not a highlighter. But look at that. That is cute. I think this is just a single pot of eyeshadow. All right, let's see how she performs. Feels good. Ooh, okay. That's nice. Guess for like a cute little smoky eye. That's actually really pretty. Ooh. Ooh, I like that a lot. It's kind of shifty. Like it looks dark and gray, but then it also looks really purpley. I don't know if you could tell that in the camera, but in person, this is really, really freaking gorgeous. I like that. Okay. The packaging is a little flimsy. I don't like the packaging at all, but the product though, the product is a hit. That is pretty. I don't think the camera is doing this justice. I'm gonna have to do another eyeshadow look. I'm gonna have to do my makeup 2 days in a row. The next thing in here is by Glamnetic. Don't know what this means. Liquid magnetic eyeliner. So this is for when you use the magnetic eyelashes. I personally don't wear eyelashes, especially not magnetic ones. So I don't know how much use I will get out of this. This is what she looks like. Very pretty, very cute. She's very, very thin. It'd be nice if they put like eyelashes in here, because then like you'll get full use of the product. But if you don't have eyelashes, then I mean that's just eyeliner. The next thing comes all bubble wrapped. Ooh, okay, this feels really nice and smooth. It's by MOTD. I'm just gonna say MOTD. Moted? I don't know. MOTD, and it's a blush duo. Ooh, so we got 2 blushes. They probably heard that your girl blush wasn't blushing, so they was like, we gonna fix that. Send you a bunch of blushes. So this packaging is super freaking cute, because look what it has on the back. It has like a little, It has like a little thing on the back. It's to close it. It's to like close it so that it doesn't get all messed up and like open and then flap around everywhere. Usually like they're magnetized and it'll just like magnetize down, but with this one you got a little. Okay, that's cute. This is what she looks like. There's like one color on the outside and then one color on the inside. I guess you're supposed to mix them, or if you want one color, you gotta just be very careful and only get the outside or the inside. I don't know, but I'll probably just be mixing them. It shows up a little bit in person. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's there. Now let's see this outer color. I'm gonna put it up here so it'll be a little easier for me to look at. I don't really see anything. Yeah, I don't really see anything. It just kind of makes me look a little ashy. I don't know, maybe they'll work really good together. I'll definitely give this a shot and let y'all know how I like it. But the packaging itself is just gorgeous. It's just very pretty and cute and girly. I love that. But the color, we'll see. We'll see. It wasn't really popping as much as I would like it to, but who knows? It might look better once I swirl it around and put it on, you know, for real, for real. Was that it? Oh, no. That wasn't it. There was one more thing in there. I know I was gonna save what I think would be the best for last, and it is an eyeshadow palette by Wander Beauty. Now this one is called Wanderous Seascape. So it comes with a cute little eyeshadow palette. I went from having like one eyeshadow palette to having like 10 in the matter of like 2 weeks. All right, so the packaging is super freaking cute. I love that. It's so pretty and serene. Hopefully the colors on the inside really reflect what the packaging is selling. Oh, okay. Ooh. Yeah, a lot of shimmers and one matte. So this is what she looks like. I actually like these colors. I think they're very, very pretty, especially that blue. That blue coastal is gorgeous. Let's go ahead and do some swatches. Let's do some swatches and see how these perform. So going into Champagne Harbor, they feel wonderful. Ooh, okay. That is very pretty. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's just like goldy. Next is Sea Salt. It's pink, like pink Himalayan sea salt. Or is that just regular salt? Pink Himalayan salt? Let's see. That one is gorgeous. That is pretty. The next one is Golden Reef. Whoa. Okay, that is gorgeous. All right, these shimmers are shimmering. Next, we're gonna go into Coastal, and this is very buttery. Like, it's just very, very buttery. Look at that, that is pretty. Wow. Okay, that is nice. I don't really do blues, but I might have to do a blue. The next one is called Seafoam. Put this on my thumb. Let's see. I don't know if the camera is showing exactly how beautiful that is. It's got like a nice little green kind of hint to it. And I know for a fact that green is going to make my eyes pop. And I ran out of fingers, that dirty little fingers. So I'm gonna go over ahead and switch for the last one, which is Sand Dollar. And let's see what she does. I don't even see it. Hold up. I don't even see it on there. Okay, let's try again. Maybe I just need to get more products. I mean, I could see it. It'll probably be a nice transition. Like, you put on concealer anyways to brighten up your eyes and make the base a little bit stickier so the colors will show up a little bit better. I mean, she's there and she'll probably look really good with all these colors. This is actually really nice. I'm very excited about Seafoam, Coastal. Actually, I'm excited about all the shimmers. Okay, I'm just excited about all the shimmers. All right, y'all. So that was everything in my mystery bags. Honestly, this one is better than the first one I got, okay? The first one I got was very skincare heavy, but you know, it was still nice. Don't get me wrong, it was still nice. But this one, I feel like was a lot better value and a lot better like products, right? Like, you got a lot of different makeup. This brush, this brush alone is crazy. It's so beautiful. I think this was a hit. There's only like one thing in here that I'm not really excited about, which is this eyeliner. And that's just a personal thing because I don't wear magnetic lashes or lashes at all. But other than that, everything else is really good. And I'm very excited to see what the other 4 mystery bags look like. And y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I did order that Halloween Bats Pretty Lace Bat one again, just because I want that fragrance. That fragrance that was in there by Wake Heart, oh my God, it smells so good and it's unavailable. Like, you can't find it anywhere. So I literally ordered that bag just so I could get that scent. Hopefully it's in there. If it's not, I'm gonna be a little bit sad. It's just a good scent and I can't find it anywhere. They need to bring that one back because I would buy that full size. Take my money, just take it. Take my money. It smells so good. I actually really like these little mystery bags. I'm gonna keep ordering them when they come out. I mean, some people, they don't be liking the mystery bags, but I like them. If you like this content, you already know what to do. Like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe and become a Faye. I will see y'all with the next one. Deuces. Wow.